Time to wake up. All right, lunch for the kids. They're gonna have 2 sandwiches apiece. We're doing yogurt, an apple, and a granola bar.
Is it gonna be snowy?
Lunch for my husband is stir-fried rice and a burrito I made. Okay, I've got 1 hour and I'm gonna jump into action and start cleaning. The kitchen is a mess. Got boxes everywhere. My daughter's bed sheets have to be taken off. We need to wash that. Here's the elves. I have to wash some of the pillowcases for my son. The stove is such a mess. So when I say I'm gonna try and go through so fast, I mean we're gonna be speed cleaning through because I have to head out. It's 12:16. I have to head out at 1:15, so I don't know how much I'm gonna get done. Head out at 1:15. We have to go to Kohl's, pick up an order over there. I have to grab my kids something to eat real quick. They have Polar school today, so Fridays are really tight for us. Basically, we come home, they eat, we pack, they change, and it's off to Polar school, and they're gonna be there for 3 hours. They get home basically at 8 o'clock. So it's a lot of running around for all of us. And yeah, so come get ready with me. My downstairs is clean, so that's okay.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. just at the right time. 'Cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love out loud, love out loud, love out loud, love out loud. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder. I'm kinda new with apologies, holding back, I got history, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me, got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change, like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me, got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change, like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Hoping you wouldn't change me, got the same old
finish up upstairs. Well, I didn't finish, but it's 1:15. I have to leave and head out to go get the kiddos. And this is another set of laundry that I'm going to be doing later. All of my whites and bedding. I have to get, I really hope I have time for this. I need all new plastic covers for the kids' beds because they're completely ripped up. They've yellowed because they're so old throughout the years. And I was just taking it off right now. I'm like super disgusted by it. We've had it for like, I don't know, however Lucian old. Well, Lucian's 8, so we've had it probably for 8 years, a little over 8 years. So I'm gonna see if I can do that. I have to grab the gift from Kohl's. I have to return some stuff from Kohl's. So come on with me. We just got home from school. They just changed. And we're gonna be heading out to Polish school in how many minutes? Maybe
3 hours.
Well, you're gonna be there for 3 hours, but we're gonna be heading out for 15 minutes. So it's Friday night, and this is how we finish up our weekend. Right?
Okay. No, tomorrow's our weekend.
I know, but this is how we're finishing up our week. So drop the kiddos off at Polish school. Now we're leaving. And